Welcome to the 6007 Harvester Court in Burke, Virginia, within Cardinal Glen. We want you to come out this weekend on Sunday from 2 to 4, where we'll be hosting an open house. Following all the COVID protocols, we invite you to come out and see this fully remodeled single-family home, 3-level colonial with the perfect lot located on cul-de-sac. So this home was built in the 70s, and the concern always is, when you open the door, do you walk right into the staircase? This has everything that you want, where you actually have a large foyer landing area where you're not on top of everything. You have the natural flow from the living room into the dining room. You know, a lot of people in COVID world have started hosting just their family and figuring out, how do I fit everyone here? This has the perfect design where the living room and dining room can flow together. I've had families tell me and clients that they put 15 or 20 people just in this one room. As we go through, you'll see everything's been remodeled. Take a look at this kitchen and everything they put into it. It is gorgeous with the new flooring, cabinetry, countertops. Everything's been done. This truly is move-in ready. Now, what does everyone want? They want the family room directly off of the kitchen, so that while they're entertaining, no one feels like they're isolated. Now, what I love when we're looking at a single family home is you need to make certain that there's a mudroom. There's an area right off of the garage for the laundry, as well as for you to put everything when you kick your boots off as you're coming in. You don't have to worry about what you track in from the outside. Thank you for joining the Nellis Group at one of our open houses. This home is beautiful. Everything's been remodeled. Over $180,000 went into this house. When you show up, please follow COVID protocol. Have a mask on. We encourage you to bring sanitizers or wipes in case you want to touch something throughout the home. Thank you for being safe. We hope that you stay healthy and enjoy this beautiful home.